This warning to buy can't be said enough. The CEO of Ripple has said that the case against the SEC is almost over. Not only experts but also whales have noticed this huge event. That's pretty cool, right? They think XRP Ripple will grow a lot and are buying up tens of millions of coins behind the scenes. You'll be sorry you missed that show. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Note that XRP Ripple is one of the most well-known cryptocurrencies both for its cutting-edge technology and its contentious legal fights. At its core, XRP is a digital asset that is meant to make foreign payments quick and cheap. When Ripple Labs made it, they wanted to change the way banks work by letting people send money across borders in real time. Subjective Views said in a recent tweet, this sentiment captures the optimism of many in the crypto community who see XRP as a key player in the future of digital finance, but things haven't gone smoothly for XRP and Ripple Labs. This is mostly because they are still in court cases with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Recently, Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple, said that he was unhappy with how the SEC was regulating the company. While Ripple waits for a very important decision, Garlinghouse criticized SEC Chair Gary Gensler, saying that he and the anti-crypto political elite were stopping American innovation. Garlinghouse's moving comment that Gensler will go down as the Luddite of his time shows how the crypto business and regulatory bodies are at odds with each other. People who are against technology progress are usually called Luddites. This shows that Garlinghouse thinks Gensler's actions are backwards. The legal fight between the SEC and Ripple is getting worse, especially since the courts have recently made decisions. The SEC had sued Binance, saying that secondary sales of Binance Coin were stocks under the Howey test. In June, Judge Amy Berman Jackson threw out the case. This decision to throw out the case was partly based on an example set in the programmatic sales of XRP case, where the court found that the SEC's actions did not follow Supreme Court instructions. Judge Jackson said that the court is likely to agree with the way the court handled Ripple Labs because the SEC's "it is what it is" method doesn't seem to follow the clear Supreme Court instructions. After this decision, Ripple used it to support its own case by submitting a notice of additional authority. Ripple's lawyers said that the SEC's inconsistent case-by-case approach means that the business doesn't have clear rules to follow. In reaction, the SEC said that the Binance decision had nothing to do with their case against Ripple. As Judge Torres gets ready to give the sentence, the stakes are very high. In July 2023, she said that Ripple had broken U.S. securities rules when it sold XRP to institutional investors without being registered. The Bitcoin market is affected by this legal mess in a big way. There has been a lot of talk about what will happen, and pro-crypto lawyer Fred Rispoli says the decision will come around the middle of July. As the crypto community waits for the decision, politicians in the digital asset sector go about their business as usual. Ripple's leaders are still taking action. Garlinghouse recently took part in a well-known crypto roundtable with leaders in the business and important lawmakers. He stressed how important it was to move from talking to doing, especially since the 2024 U.S. presidential race is coming up soon. Gensler's term could end with an administration that supports crypto, which would change the rules to help the crypto business. Of course, we can't ignore what crypto experts and researchers have to say either. They have never been so happy. What will happen to our favorite coin in the future? What does this mean for you, though? Stay tuned as we talk about XRP Ripple Coin's amazing history, from groundbreaking technology to heated courtroom fights, and why it could be the key to the future of digital finance. Don't miss this. Even though there are still legal fights going on and regulatory uncertainty, Ripple's XRP has continued to get attention from investors, crypto fans, and analysts. Recent talk on social media sites like Twitter and Instagram has made people even more excited about XRP. Tweets like bullish XRP and predictions of huge price increases have added to the energy. One event that caused a lot of discussion in the XRP community was a tweet by Jack the Rippler that showed a glitch on a trading site that made XRP's price appear at an unbelievable $22,656,481. Even though it was clearly a technical glitch, the event caused people to argue about how much XRP is really worth. The passionate group is called the XRP Army, and some members of it saw the glitch in a positive light. They saw it as a sign of what might be possible if XRP reached its full potential. Jack the Rippler also wrote that XRP could go up by more than 30,000% from where it is now. Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, has talked about how people think XRP is worth before, making the case against the idea that it should be seen as dirt cheap. His point of view is based on how the price of XRP affects its usefulness for trades. For example, if XRP was worth $1 million per coin, a $1 million per coin, a $1 million transaction would only need 1 XRP. This is a huge improvement over lower valuations, where millions of XRP might be needed for the same transaction rate. Within the crypto world, about how the value of a token relates to its usefulness. This talk is very important because XRP wants to be seen not only as a speculative currency but also as a useful tool for making payments around the world. At the same time, experts like xrp have created technical charts that show how the price of XRP might change in the future. For example, the bent fork chart shows where support levels have been in the past and where possible future goals could be. A new high point has been set at $17. This study shows that people are still optimistic about the future of XRP's price, even though Ripple is having trouble with regulators. Analyst Greg Crypto showed the XRP bent fork chart and talked about its historical support and possible future goals. The graph shows that the price will go up to $17 as of June 2023, with $1 serving as key support. Because of how traders have behaved around this $1 mark in the past, it acts as both a physical and mental limit. The all-time high price for XRP is $3.50, and if it is broken, it could lead to big gains. Now, while Ripple and the SEC are in a rough legal fight, something interesting is going on behind the scenes. Crypto community is scratching their heads over huge XRP moves involving millions of tokens. The price of XRP seems to be staying the same, but big players are quietly getting ready for what could be a huge change in the market. Let's learn more about these secret moves and figure out what effect they might have. A large XRP whale made a bold move by sending 37 million XRP tokens worth about $16 million to the Bitstamp exchange. This happened while Ripple was in a contentious legal fight with the SEC. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies are excited about this big exchange, and people are also guessing what it means, especially since the case is almost over. The whale's move of 37 million XRP tokens to Bitstamp could be seen as a strategy to get ready for the result of the lawsuit. Large users of XRP, who are often called whales, have a lot of power over how the market works. In order to possibly change prices in their favor, they can buy or sell large amounts of tokens. Because the court decision is coming up soon, these whales may be getting ready to take advantage of how the market reacts. They are either expecting a bullish surge if Ripple wins or getting ready for market chaos if the ruling goes against them. Whales are very important to cryptocurrency markets, both because they hold a lot of coins and because the way they act often shows how the market as a whole is moving. Their ability to pump or dump. Tokens can have a big effect on price changes, giving them chances to make money or protect themselves from losing money. In the case of XRP Ripple, these moves show how complicated the relationship is between changes in the law, how the market feels, and the power of big stakeholders.